Okay, these are the transistors that I got with some Fuzz Factory kits. I got them from Monkey King shop. They don't do the Fuzz Factory kit anymore, but they do other kits. I bought a couple of the Fuzz Factory kits on eBay. They stopped doing them on eBay. They went over to Etsy for a while, and I don't know if they do them anymore. So that is marked 3AX31B for beta. There's the logo. It's kind of like an NT logo. This came in the same kit. This is the same marking, but the logo is somewhat different. So they're ones that I've got loose from an unmade kit. This is a kit that I've got from them and it's already made up. And you can see marking there, that's the same kind of big, it's a different logo. And this one's got an orange spot on it. There wasn't any particular instructions for which one went where. I just put them together. So this is just really basic. Actually, this one doesn't even at the moment have the 9-volt battery snap soldered on. It's just 2 plugs. So, geez, I better finish that, put it into a case. It's a bit lame of me. All right, that's really brief thing that I just wanted to do. So I've got this, I've got a box full of pots and some caps here, so I'm all ready to make up this other one. Hopefully I'll do that soon. Bye.